Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off your hot and cold water supplies. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the water temperature switch. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take us a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to find the new temperature switch. The water temperature switch controls whether hot, cold, or warm water comes into the machine, and the main reason you'd be changing it out is if when you selected cold, it didn't let any cold water in, or if you selected hot, it did let hot water in. The first thing we have to do is to remove the control panel. It's usually held in place by two screws. They're located in either the front or the rear of the control panel. Some models have trim covers that you have to lift off to gain access to the screws, and on other models they have spring clips that you have to slip a putty knife underneath to release them. Once you have your screws out, slide the control panel forward about 1/2 inch and lift it back over the back of the machine. Now that we have the console open, we can go ahead and remove the water temperature knob. We'll put that back on later. And then we can take the switch out. The switch is held in just by a plastic tab, which you have to lift up with a screwdriver. Once you have the tab lifted up, you can turn the switch until it releases out of the console. Once you have the switch out of the console, you can take and squeeze the two locking tabs and pull the switch off. Here's the old water temperature switch next to the new switch. If you already have one, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new switch, we have to replug in the wiring harness, make sure it locks in, and then line the switch up with the hole in the console and rotate it 45 degrees till the clip locks back into place. Now that we have the new switch installed, we have to go ahead and put the knob back on. It's a regular D-shaped knob, so just match up the flat and slip it back on. To close up the console, all you do is rotate it forward over the front of the machine. Make sure the locking tabs lock in place, pull it back about 1/2 inch, and replace the screws. Now that you have the machine reassembled, you can go ahead and plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a test spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.